Okay, now it's Tolar. Tolar. You pronounce it right? Tolar. Tolar is the company, and open source community governed cryptocurrency. Josip Maricevic is on stage. Yeah, round of applause. It's Tolar, right? You pronounce like that.
Tolar.
Tolar, yeah.
Tolar, yeah.
Tolar. Okay, cool. Here
like
it is.
dollar.
Oh, it's like dollar. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So the green one.
Okay.
Stage is yours. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Josip Maricevic, technical co-founder of Tolar, and today I'm going to introduce you to our new, not just a cryptocurrency, but a new platform as well. As you know, the blockchain in its current form has a huge scalability problem. You all remember probably the last October when all the news outlets started writing about Bitcoin. The mempool shot up to over 100 megabytes. Transactions were waiting for days. You had to pay around $40 in fees if you wanted to make sure that your transaction will get included in the next block. Or even better example, CryptoKitties, a virtual cat trading game that literally brought the Ethereum network to its knees the week it came out. Now there are some proposed solutions, but some are just buying some more time, like Segwit, and there are some other solutions that are promising but still in its infancy. So we decided to go solve that problem by changing the way how core consensus algorithm works. That's how we ended up with Hashnet. So what is Hashnet? It is best described as a consensus replacement for blockchain. So since we're really short on time here, I will not go into technical details, but we'll cover just some core concepts. So in Hashnet, the information is spread using reduced redundancy Gossip protocol, and that information, along with the way how it was propagated through the network, is saved. And then, since we know that all the nodes have that structure, we can do virtual voting on validity of events. So what is virtual voting? It means that you don't have to actually send any votes and use the network bandwidth or wait to receive the votes from all the other members, but you can simply calculate what would the vote be if it happened at that moment. Also, any users that are helping secure the network can stake some amount of coins with which they guarantee the correctness of their node's behavior, and of course, they will be incentivized for that kind of staking. So combining all that, we get an algorithm that is extremely fast, secure, fair, and scalable. Here we have some concrete numbers. So here is Bitcoin that could do 3 to 4 transactions per second before Segwit. Now it's around 7. Then we have Tango. It's the technology behind IOTA. It can average around 500 transactions per second. And then here is our main competitor, Hashgraph. You all probably heard of it. It has the similar throughput to our system. However, Hashgraph was from the start intended as a system for permission networks, where you need to know the number of nodes in advance. Also, the Hashgraph algorithm is patented, and the project itself, as they said, will never be an open source project. While we're aiming to give the access to our project open source, and it is supposed to be a public ledger, where the number of nodes does not matter. You can have 10 nodes, 100 nodes, thousands of nodes. Also, with such a big project, we believe it's important to have a responsible governance system. Also, as opposed to Hashgraph, which you all know before 2 weeks ago announced the public ledger, but it will have 39 nodes, which will have the control over the whole network, and those 39 nodes will end up in the hands of the companies of their choosing. We want to give that power to the whole. We want to give that power to the people that will actually use our network. So any member of the network will be able to submit some tender that falls into any of these categories. And then the Magnus Concilium, also known as a big council of Tolar, which is comprised of all the master nodes, can vote and accept or decline some of those proposals. So, and for end, here you're invited to join us at our Telegram channel for any further technical, business, or any other questions. Visit our website, or just come visit me and my colleague at the booth just near the exit. Also today, just for the people from this conference, we made some special bounty. Anyone who's willing to join our Telegram channel in the next hour will receive $50. Thank you all for listening and hope to see you again.
Thank you, Josip. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, now trusted health. And Greg Jarza